A home facial is a pampering ritual that may help people de-stress while improving their skin health. Potential skin benefits include removing impurities, boosting blood flow, and improving skin hydration. Many people consider home facials to be an occasional treat they can perform at home to improve their skin's health, feel, and appearance. But people should not do them too often as they can irritate or worsen skin problems. Today in this video I will share, how can we do facial at home with 4 simple steps, by using simple kitchen ingredients that are priceless but amazing and effective in result. This facial takes some time, but 3 to 4 days of regular use, you will definitely start noticing effective change in your skin. Let's start with 4 steps remedy of facial. Number 1 step of this facial is cleansing. Cleansing is such an essential part of your skincare game as it thoroughly removes all the sweat, dust, bacteria, and excessive oil. To save yourself from this misery, you can try making a few homemade face cleanser. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of curd and add 1 teaspoon of organic honey to it. Mix this pack well and apply it all over the face. Then keep for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. One can also add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, if you have very dry skin. Step number 2 of this facial is scrub. Scrub is an essential part of our facial, it helps to improve our skin tone and texture. Daily use of it helps to remove dead skin cells, dirt and oil buildup on the surface of your skin. To prepare your own scrub, in a clean bowl you will need a 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 5 drops of peppermint essential oil and then 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Mix all the ingredients well. First, wash your skin with soap or body wash and rinse it well. Apply a sufficient amount of peppermint sugar scrub to wet skin your face, massaging in a circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the granules to remove dead skin cells. Finally, rinse it off well. This makes your skin look and feels refreshed and healthy. Step number 3 of this facial is face mask. Activated charcoal's popularity has risen over the years. It's often advertised as a one-stop solution for all kinds of skin woes. Charcoal finds a place in a variety of products, such as face washes, night creams, scrubs, soaps, and also face masks. A charcoal face mask is best to remove deep pore dirt, blackheads and also absorbs excess oil from the face. To make charcoal face mask, in a clean bowl take 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder and add 1 to 2 tablespoon yogurt. Mix all the ingredients well, apply the mask on cleansed face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. Wipe it off with a clean damp cotton cloth. Last step of this facial is toning. Take 1 medium-sized cucumber, peel the cucumber and cut into small pieces. Put cucumber pieces into blender and then add few washed basil leaves in it and make a smooth running paste. Run this paste through a strainer or a sieve or an old but clean handkerchief or a cheesecloth. Put the mixture in a spray bottle. Now add few drops of tea tree oil and rose water in the bottle and shake it well to mix all the ingredients. Apply the toner to your freshly cleansed skin using a cotton ball or pad, avoiding the eye area.